Introducing the Verdex Parrot Beak Drum Lifter Attachment. A simple, safe, and efficient solution for handling 210-litre steel and plastic drums. Available in single or double drum configurations, each beak holds up to 360 kilograms, perfect for heavy-duty applications. Designed to lift and place drums onto pallets or bunds with ease, this attachment makes drum handling quicker and safer. With a fully automatic clamp operation, there's no need to leave the driver's seat, maximizing safety and productivity. An adjustable clamp height accommodates different drum shapes, ensuring a secure grip every time. The Verdex Parrot Beak Drum Lifter Attachment. Taking the hard work out of drum handling. Verdex. Equipping workplaces.